Are you tired of seeing those distracting messages in your Spark console? If you've been working with data frames and want a cleaner output, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to suppress that pesky Stage 2 message. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to focus on your results, and those console messages keep popping up. You're not alone in this. Many users face the same issue when working with Spark. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I suppress the Stage 2 message from the output console in Spark?" They mentioned that while they successfully get the distinct count from their data frame, this message is a constant distraction. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to tackle this. So what's happening here? The Stage 2 message is part of Spark's execution plan, providing feedback on the progress of your jobs. While it's useful, it can clutter your console output, especially when you're focused on results. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will help you manage your Spark console output even better. To suppress the output message in Spark, the user can adjust the logging level. First, they need to access the Spark configuration settings. Next, the user should modify the logging level for the specific logger that generates the message. This can be done by setting the level to error or warn. After updating the logging level, the user should save the configuration file and restart their Spark application to apply the changes. Finally, the user can run their Scala program again. The output message should no longer appear in the console, allowing for a cleaner output. Fun fact, did you know that Spark was originally developed at UC Berkeley? It has come a long way since then, but some things, like console messages, can still be a bit annoying. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution to suppress the Stage 2 messages in Spark is to adjust the logging level when creating your Spark context. You can import the necessary libraries and set the logging level to error to disable info level logs. Additionally, you can configure Spark to hide console progress by setting spark.ui.showConsoleProgress to false. For Spark 2 and above, you can use Spark Session to achieve the same result. Simply add the configuration to the Spark Session Builder to suppress console progress messages. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Regularly check your logging settings to ensure you're only seeing the information you need. This can make a huge difference in your workflow. And there you have it. You should now have a cleaner console output while working with Spark. Remember, managing your logging settings is key to a smoother experience. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video on optimizing Spark performance.